In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the question on how do you qualify for Fairmoney loan. So basically, if you just open the app, you might not have access to all the features on Fairmoney, as you can see right here. If you just open an account, you won't see all these features such as transfer, add money, and some other requirement. But then once you connect your BVN, your face verification, then that is when you will have access to proceed and get qualified to apply for Fairmoney loan. So this, after I put in money on this particular account, that is when I was able to see all these features right here. So if I swipe left on this particular features, then you can see right here it's a no active loan, get a loan up to 3 million naira within 5 minutes. So if I click on take a loan right here, it's gonna take me to this page where I can actually apply for a loan. You can see get started with your loan, help us understand what you are looking for. So how much do you need, your monthly income, your email address. So you have to provide all these details for them so that you can be able to proceed on to the next one. So once you are able to proceed on to the next one, that means you are qualified to borrow money from Fairmoney. But then that doesn't determine exactly how much you'll be able to borrow. But once you proceed, you give them some ideas, so they will run some background checks on your details that you provided, and they will also see how often your account receive money. So they have their way of doing those research back end, so that they will be able to see how you can how much you qualify for. But then if you put in all your details they requested for, you'll be able to qualify for Fairmoney loan, such as a BVN, your face ID, and some other, maybe your ID card as well. So those are the things they will request for in order to apply for a loan.